The sight of a greasy oven hood is enough to make anyone want to close the kitchen door and never come back. That sticky, yellowed film seems to defy every basic cleaning spray in the cabinet. Most of us have a collection of half-used bottles that promised a miracle but delivered nothing but a headache and a lingering chemical smell. I decided to see if the Fly Cleanse kitchen appliance cleaner was just more of the same, or if it actually had some teeth. I went into this with a lot of skepticism. Marketing teams are usually better at their jobs than cleaning formulas are at theirs. I wanted to see if this was just fancy water in a pretty bottle. The first thing I noticed when I popped the top was the scent. It was fresh and light. It did not hit me like a wall of industrial bleach or a floral shop that just exploded. That matters more than people think. If a cleaner is too harsh, you end up rushing the job just to escape the fumes. This felt different. It felt like someone actually thought about the person using it. I took the bottle straight to the worst spots in my kitchen. We are talking about the backsplash and the vents, where grease goes to live forever. I sprayed it on and just watched. Usually, you have to wait 10 minutes or use a scraper to see any progress. With this stuff, I could see the grime starting to break down almost immediately. It was like the liquid was grabbing onto the grease and pulling it away from the metal. When I finally went in with a cloth, the movement was smooth. There was no dragging. There was no weird, tacky feeling left behind on my hands. That is where most products fail. They might clean the top layer, but they leave a streak or a residue that makes the surface look even worse. This one wiped away clean and left a genuine shine. It felt like a professional result without the professional struggle. Now we have to be realistic about what this is. If you are comparing it to a basic all-purpose spray from the grocery store, there is no contest. This is significantly more powerful on oils and fats. It is built for the kitchen specifically. However, it is not a heavy-duty industrial degreaser. If you were trying to clean an oven that has been neglected for a decade, you might still need something with much harsher chemicals. But for the daily battle against cooking oil and fingerprint marks, this is a massive step up. It is the difference between a tool that does 10 things poorly and a tool that does one thing really well. I have seen people asking if this is a scam, but it feels completely legit to me. A scam is something that does not work or vanishes with your money. This product does exactly what it says on the label. It cuts through grease. It leaves surfaces looking fresh. It does not irritate my skin. It is a reliable, solid choice for any household that actually sees some cooking action. You are getting a formula that respects your time and your home environment. It is not a magic wand, but it is a very effective solution for a common frustration. It is the kind of product that makes you realize how much effort you have been wasting with inferior sprays. For most people, this is going to be the new go-to for keeping the heart of the home looking sharp.